Hi guys, I came from getting my bike serviced for the third time from the service center, and today as soon as I reached, I got this thing. These are some equipment that I ordered from online, and this is for getting my bike polished. Last time I did the polishing, and it was a bit hectic and a lot of time consuming. I had a drill machine which we use it at home, a lot of tools that we use it. So I thought, why not use this kind of equipment that will save me time plus easy to use. So today again I'm going to do the polishing to see how exactly it works. Probably waxing. I told you earlier, at least once a month you need to get it done. So I think the time has come. Luckily I got my bike serviced also, it's clean. So all that I need to do is just wax it again. I'll show you how to do it, and you keep watching the channel, and if you like it, do subscribe to my channel. I share a lot of tips and tricks, and that's it, that's all about it. Enjoy the video. So guys, I'm ready to get this thing started. I got this 4 sponge. As I showed you earlier, that this is the delivery that I got, and this thing I'll use to buff. And this is my drill machine that I'm going to use over here to get the polishing done in a much quick way and the most easiest way. So let's see how does this work. So in this video, what I'm going to do today is I will be applying some wax. I will polish it using a sponge. Once I'm done with it, I'll leave it for around 10 minutes or so. I'll make sure it's a shaded place, and then I will go ahead and buff it. And this is how I will keep my bike shining. Don't forget to watch my next video, because I will be doing the same thing using a drill machine and a metal polish for the engine block, silencer, the leg guard, the C guard, my mirrors, and all the chrome parts that are there on this bike. This is the most easiest way. If you don't have a drill machine, you can borrow it. It's easily available. This is something that you'll easily get from online, pretty cheap, and overall cost is much cheaper than getting the bike polished twice in 2 months. So this will last for at least 10-15 polishes. So let's go ahead and do it. So let's start. I'm going to use some polish. This is Formula 1 wax on the tank. Make sure the tank is clean and dry. This time I'm not going to put any pressure on it, but generously I'm only going to apply the wax, because the polishing part I'll be doing it with the sponge using a drill machine. And for now, I'll be waiting for around 5 or 10 minutes before doing the polish. And then once I'm done with the polish, I'll wait for next 5 minutes and do the buffing. Keep watching. So now we waited for around 10 minutes or so. I have my drill machine ready, the sponge is ready, every equipment is ready, my bike is ready. All I need to do is start polishing. So guys, we need to remember that the motion has to be in one. You need to have a one motion drill. You cannot do here and there or any way you want. It has to be in a one particular motion. I'll show you how it needs to be done. It has to be done this way. it's been around 5 more minutes. I've done I've done using the sponge, and I'm going to buff the tank. Considering I just want to test this thing on with the drill, I have not touched this part, which I'll be doing it later to see what happens after like half an hour or so if you give extra time. So let's start. So guys, if you see this is actually looking very shiny, and you can see the reflection of the sky. I'm quite impressed with this thing. I will continue doing this for the whole bike. First the colored part and then the chrome part. So continue watching this video. The second part will be about how to get the metal polish polished using a drill machine.